Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be cooking something a little bit different. It's not on the menu, but something that we've kind of experimented with. We really liked it. You know, there's sometimes, like, you know, I get a craving for pizza, a bit of a sucker for pizza. So I've got the naan dough and I've kind of made our own pizza. So we're going to be making a chicken tikka chili pizza. So yeah, you'll have to kind of see it. We don't put any tomato puree in there, but it still tastes really good. The bread of the naan dough tastes really good. For me, the bread of the naan dough tastes better than the pizza doughs from pizza shops. So you'll be seeing, experiment if you want. You know, you need to make the naan dough. If you haven't made the naan dough or chicken tikka, they will be below in the in my descriptions. So just click on them, make them, and then you'll be ready to make this video. It will help if you had a tandoor. If you haven't, don't worry, an oven will do. But I'm going to do it how I've been doing it. So I've been half using an oven and half using a tandoor. So you'll be able to see my methods. Hope you enjoy the video. It's something a little bit different. So please like, comment, subscribe. So let's get cooking. So now you have the same method as how we're going to cook a naan. So we've got the naan dough here. Put a little bit of self-raising flour. And then we're going to cook it. We're just going to sort of half cook it in the tandoor, because it's going to go in the oven, so it's going to get cooked more. So if you cook it too much in the tandoor, it's going to be very crispy. So just rolling it as I do, same as a plain naan. I've done a video for a plain naan, so just kind of put some more self-raising flour on there, get it nice and evenly round. So as you can see by the ingredients, we've got red onion, coriander, chopped tomatoes, chopped chicken tikka, cheese and chili. And that's all you need to give you a really nice flavoured naan pizza. A touch of oil will just help you make it a little bit bigger using our palms. Just helps you make the dough a bit bigger. Same method as the naan, so we're just kind of flicking it between our thumbs. If you can't do this, just roll it a little bit bigger. Just make it nice and round. So I'm just going to slap the naan on. I'm just getting the edges. Just getting the edges to stick on, and I'm making it a little bit bigger. Just pressing the edges to stick it on and make it slightly bigger. So we're just going to wait for the naan to get a little bit solid. Make sure you don't overcook it in your tandoor. If you are doing an oven method, then you just put the whole thing in the oven. But the naan dough works really well for the dough for a pizza. So as you can see, the naan's half sort of cooked. It's got its shape. The dough's got a bit harder. It's not sort of like flowing off, or it's not being stringy. So yeah, so that's, you've got your base there. You can put stuffing inside. I mean, I've done it before with keema naans. I put the keema in before. Obviously, you need to put that inside. I didn't want to overkill it because we've got chicken tikka in there anyway. But if you did want to put stuffing, even peshwari, I put peshwari in there, that's kind of completely up to you. I don't know if that would go well because it's quite sweet and coconutty. But whatever, you know, experiment, do whatever you feel is good for you. So we've got it now here, and now we just can put all these in there now. So we've got our chicken tikka ready. You want to save the cheese till last, because the cheese will kind of stick all the ingredients in together. I like some tomato in there, but you know, it's up to you guys if you want to put cucumber in there, if you want to put sweet corn in there, whatever you fancy doing. I like the tomatoes because you get a little bit of juice while you're biting into this kind of pizza. So just spread out all the ingredients. Red onions works a lot better than normal onions. Let's put some red onions in there. And then you've got some chilies. If you don't like it hot, don't put any in. Got some green chilies in there. Then you've got your coriander. And then you've got your cheese. So if you notice, from a pizza, we haven't put any tomato puree. I don't put the tomato puree. I feel that's with the naan though, it doesn't work as well. So now that's ready now to go in the oven. I think about 10 minutes should do it. Use your own sort of like initiative, have a look if it's done. And it tastes really well, the ingredients of the chicken tikka, the chilies on a surface of naan. It tastes really good. Okay, so there we have it, guys. It's just come out of the oven, and you can see the naan breads have cooked a bit more. It's cooked more in the oven. You've got your red pepper, you've got your cheese, your chicken tikka. It just looks really good. So really try it at home. Like I said, the naan dough just tastes so much better than the sort of pizza shop doughs. It just gives that more fluffy taste, more, more nicer. So here we go, guys. There we have it. A chicken tikka chili pizza.